Is a chupacabra always mosquito-like, where it's a permanent appendage, or is it something that, like, the xenomorph, it comes from the inner mouth and extracts the fluids it needs?
Yeah,
it seems the latter in this case.
Yeah, in my mind it's the latter, but that doesn't mean that.
Doesn't mean it is. Right. Yeah, you're right. But still, the spikes. All right. The creature then began to emit a sort of wailing sound, which resembled the sound of sobbing. Carlos, which was attempting not to fall asleep, then hugged the creature tightly, squeezing it against his chest. The creature did not attack him. At this point, Carlos looked up and noticed that the top of a nearby palm tree was moving as if something invisible was pushing it, something which appeared to be, quote-unquote, camouflaged. Suddenly, whatever it was became more visible. It was something large, metallic, and gray. Quote, it was a ship, something similar to a flying saucer.